What is up, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking for some flexibility, you've definitely come to the right place, guys. Today I'll be going over 3 apps that pays you to do nothing. Okay, before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out good content like this to help you make money from home. Alright, now these 3 apps that pays you to do nothing, they're pretty simple. I will go over them step by step. The first one here is called Smart Panel. And what Smart Panel pays you to do is basically nothing, guys. You just install the app on your phone and they basically collect data on how you interact with your phone, such as your apps, websites, that kind of stuff, okay? Now one thing they don't do is collect like your personal data, like your text messages or anything like that, or your photos. So you don't have to be worried about that. They just basically want to know how you use your apps and that kind of stuff on your phone. So you'll go ahead and go to the website here and you can basically read up on the FAQs and that kind of stuff. As you can see here, it says why join. Basically anonymous statistics collected from the Smart Panel help your favorite websites, apps, and technology companies improve their services and features for everyone. Alright, so that's what they want to look at. They want to basically be able to improve their services and that kind of stuff. So they want to, it's basically like a research program. So you're getting paid for that. Now, every time that you use your phone and they collect that data, they're going to go ahead and reward you with points. Those points you can go ahead and redeem for cash or gift cards. Okay, so you can definitely get paid with this company here. All right, so come here, read the FAQs, get a little bit more on this company. And once you're ready to get started, just click down here. I like to sign up and they'll go ahead and get you started on the right path. All right, so the next one is called Mobile Expression Panel. And Mobile Expression Panel is just like Smart Panel. You're going to install the app on your phone. That app is going to basically collect data that they need for research. And then you're going to get paid every time that they collect that data, okay? So every time they collect data, you're going to receive the points, which is going to be able to be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash, okay? So as you can see here, it says earn credits instantly when you join. Continue to earn credits by simply keeping the app active. Redeem your credits for gift cards to a great selection of retailers. Your points will not expire as long as you're an active member. Alright, so you'll help the environment. Your active participation will allow us to donate a tree to Trees with Knowledge. Alright, so yeah, so you definitely want to come here on the website. Actually, you can come to this website here and you can read up on the FAQs if you have more questions and you want to know more about this app here. And then you can go ahead and get started. As you can see, you can install it on your tablet, you can install it on your phone, and you can basically be ready to get started, guys. So you'll come here, you click join now, and then you can fill out the form and that'll allow you to get started. Alright, so the next one I have here for you guys is called Lifecoin. And this one is pretty simple, guys. You're getting paid to walk, which is what you do every day anyways. So it's real easy, guys. Just install the app on your phone, start walking, start collecting points, and redeem those points for cash or gift cards. Okay, so as you can see, this is the items that you can redeem for. You can redeem it for a $50 Amazon gift card, Apple iPhone X, $100 PayPal gift card, a drone, Apple AirPods. I mean, a lot of little different stuff here, but the main one that I like is the PayPal gift card. So once you've accumulated enough points from walking, you can go ahead and redeem that out and get $100 each time from PayPal. Okay, so it says here, redeem for amazing prizes. Your life coins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more. We are always adding new items, so check daily to see our latest prizes. You're going to turn your daily walks into mining sessions. Collect life coins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. So as you can see, guys, this is another pretty simple app. You'll just be getting paid to walk. The more steps you take, the more you're going to get paid. Alright. Now, I definitely wanted to bring this to you guys just to show you, these 3 apps here that pays you to do nothing. If you did enjoy the content, you found some value in it, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and, I'll be going and put out more content just like this just to help you make money from home. Okay? So with that being said, guys, stay blessed and become self-made today. Bye.